to absorb the diseases and the blood, should there be a riot. And then for an authentic working class feel, at the back, I've fitted an outside carsy.
Why have you called it Scum Class?
Good name.
It's a bit blunt.
Honestly, think about it. This way, it's an incentive. You're not going to walk into the ticket office and go, hello, can I have 3 Scum Class tickets? You're going to say, oh, I'll spend a little bit more so I don't have to say that. You'll say, I'll have second class. We make more profit.
We make more money.
Exactly. With the carriages hooked up to the Jag, we prepared ourselves for the maiden voyage of the world's cheapest train. Engaging drive.
Engage forwards.
You're a train.
We're not moving.
No, be gentle with it. Gently.
Well, that's not working, is it?
It says we're doing 80 miles an hour then.
Right, look.
Get out and give us a push.
How's he going to push it?
Just get it
What's
started.
When did you ever see anyone push the train? When did you ever see one?
Why won't it go? 300 horsepower. Why isn't it working?
Because it's just spinning all its power away and not going anywhere.
Why?
Well, one, you're driving it like an oaf because
I've done gentle. I
you didn't do gentle. You just planted your foot on it and went power as normally. Secondly, I'm sorry to say this, but you brought the wrong car.
You did. It's a rear-wheel drive roadster.
What do you want? Do you want front-wheel drive?
Possibly four-wheel drive is where he wants to be. Not a
It's
train.
not the car. We've got too many carriages. It's too heavy.
Of course it's got carriages on it, you muppet. It's a train.
There are too many.
That's the bare minimum. We've got first class, second class,
Real
scum class,
trains?
buffet, no less.
Well, it's too heavy.
Well, we need a different.
That's how much it weighs. You can't.
We need a